Hello fam, Sir here. I've been wanting to show you this property for quite some time now, and I finally get to show you. So if you're in the market for a 1.5-story ranch in the Charlotte area, please stick around. In this video, we are going to get the first looks at the homes in the community Pinnacle at Northreach by Taylor Morrison. I'm Sir Ashley, your trusted real estate advisor here in North Carolina and South Carolina. And I've been waiting to get inside this home and show you because I believe that it is a quality builder. And not only does Taylor Morrison build a beautiful home, but like I said, they build a quality home. And not all home builders do that nowadays. And the second reason why I've been wanting to show you this community and this property is because of its location. It's located in the Pinnacle at Northreach, and it is part of the greater Palisades community. And if you're unfamiliar with the Palisades community, please be sure to go to my YouTube page and check out my videos talking about the Palisades, where I go in depth about what the community has to offer. But I will share briefly some of its benefits with you right here. The Palisades community has a ton of amenities. It has a pool, tennis courts with private lessons, a fitness center, miles and miles of walking trails, soccer fields, as well as excellent schools within the community, both private and public schools. The Palisades community also has a very diverse population, and it's not too far from Lake Wiley if you enjoy being on the water. Overall, the Palisades is a great location. All right, let's go see this property. Come with me. All right, here we are. I've waited quite some time to tour this home so I can give you a feel for what this portion of Northreach has to offer. Now, the house is not completed. They gave me and my clients a sneak peek, so don't hold it against the builder for things not being fully completed. Again, this is a sneak peek. It is not finished. Now, this will be the model. I will do an additional video where it's staged and looking beautiful, but I wanted you all to see what you could get for the price right now. So we left the first bedroom. It had its own private bathroom. This is your flex room. You can use it as an office, a dining room, study, or you can put a closet in there and turn it into a third bedroom. Walking into the kitchen, large cabinets, gas range, built-in microwave and oven, pantry area. Now, these floor plans were designed for people ages 55 and up, but this is not a 55 and up community. You can be at any age and enter this community, but it's for the convenience of those that want a ranch style floor plan, which is single floor living with an option to have a second story. See this deck, depending on your topography of the lot you either have a slab or a deck, and some homes even have a basement in this community. You have a half bath right here. We're about to look at the laundry room. Now, the 2 bedrooms with a flex room starts off around $350 right now. And if you want to add on the additional story, right now, presently in the middle of June 2021, we're looking at prices in the $430s, $440s. Now that is subject to change with price increases. They don't presently have any lots or homes available, but beginning July, they will get a new release of homes. This is your owner's suite, dual vanity sinks with this large, long shower, dual shower heads. And your owner's closet, large walk-in closet. Again, this is perfect for those that want to have that single story living. Don't have to worry about traveling up and down the stairs. You have your office down here, your owner's suite. But if you wanted to get the upstairs or basement, you could. Here we are headed upstairs where you have additional storage, a large, very large, significant loft, as well as a bedroom and another bathroom. Let's take a look at the storage space. This area up here would be perfect for guests to come in. They have their own space upstairs. They don't have to worry about bothering you. They have their own bathroom, own living area. And you, the owner, you don't have to worry about trekking up and down the stairs if you don't want to, because your owner's suite is downstairs as well as your office. Now, while this home is not completed, I see the potential, and I think it is an excellent deal for, one, the product you get, a Taylor Morrison product, and its location. It's located in the Pinnacle at Northreach, which is part of the Palisades Community. Now, with the Palisades Community, you get access to their country club. That means tennis, workout facility, as well as a pool. And then you can choose to join their golf club as well. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. The number is on the screen. We look forward to hearing from you and assisting you in your home buying process.